Yo, what's happening? My name is Mr. Baker coming at you with a new tutorial because I found a new drum machine. So I'm very excited about it. Type in One Motion into Google. Press enter, click the top link, free online games and entertainment. Scroll past these goofy games. You can play them on your own time. I want to talk about Drum Machine, a machine that makes drum sounds and puts them into patterns. Let's check it out. Here's a little pattern right here. Doesn't sound very good to me. It's because I can't hear it because I haven't pressed play. If you press play, it will play the music on the screen. Let's hear it. Ooh, funky. I like it. Got a good funky groove to it. Now, check it out. We have to make our own. That's what I want you to do. So you're going to click on this little paper thing. That's a composition menu. Go to New Composition. Are you sure? Absolutely. It's going to bring you to an empty screen. Now, what you do with this is up to you. I have a kick drum, snare drum, hi-hat, open hi-hat, ride cymbal, crash cymbal, high tom, low tom. That's what they all sound like. And they all move from left to right in a straight line, just like music does and just like reading a book does. Let's start with a kick drum pattern here. I want to put a kick drum on every top, every quarter note. Let's hear how that sounds. It's got a good steady beat. Cool. Let's say I wanted that a bit faster. If I wanted to change the speed of that, make it faster or slower, go down here where it says BPM. That means beats per minute. Music speed is measured in beats per minute. Click on that. Let's raise that to about 120. Let's hear how that'll sound. Yeah, it's got that kind of vibe to it. Yeah, awesome. Now let's put a snare drum hit on the second quarter note and the fourth quarter note. Let's hear how that sounds. Cool. Now let's put some toddies on the hi-hat. Toddy all the way across. Eighth notes all the way. Let's hear it. Excellent. But I think the hi-hats sound a little loud. So I can go to the volume knob over here and lower that bar about halfway. Maybe that'll sound better. I think it does. I think it sounds clean. Nice and tight. Let's say I wanted to add an open hi-hat sound here and here. Let's hear how that sounds. Cool. Maybe a little loud as well. Let's bring those down. Cool. Let's put a high tom in there. Let's put them right here. What about a low tom on the last one? Ooh, I like it. So there's my beat. I just threw it together. I think it sounds pretty good. Let's say I'm happy with it. Let's experiment with the sounds. Volume of the drums are right here. Don't worry about that. Go to the kit, and it will change the sound of your drums. This is a Salamander kit. Let's see what Big Daddy sounds like. Sounds way different, right? Let's hear a different one. I like the TR-808. Yeah. Now that's really cool. Experiment with the drum sounds that you like. You can change the effects. You can make it sound like it's in a big open hall, in a church or something. You can change the level of that effect. You can also change the pitch of the drums. I want to go back to studio because I like that effect, but I want to make the pitch of the drums. That's going to tell you how high or low your drum sound. There's the high pitch drums. Let's hear how that sounds. Let's drop it low a little bit. The beat feels totally different. Same beat. Let's say I wanted to slow that back down around like 90. Ooh, I like that. Feels good. Excellent. Here's the coolest part about this app. If you click the 3D button, it'll show you a little man playing your music and what it would look like from a real drummer. Check it out. Look at him. He's killing it. Yeah. Nice. Awesome. So there's my beat. I put it together. I think it's awesome. You can play with the pads. If you click pads, you can explore the sounds. Click like the number 1 on your keyboard, 2, all the way down. You can play drums. Pretty sweet. Experiment all you want. Play around. I want to see what you come up with. To save your beat, I want you to go to this, and you're going to, on the composition tool again, create link to current composition. And it'll pull up this link. Copy that link like you know how to do, and you're going to paste that to your assignment to show us your beautiful creation. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.